more points. And there's an overall house. It's a little bit boarding school.
That brings back memories, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Here comes Pat Doran, who shunted on day one up at Morecambe as he hurtles away in his RS200. Anthony Reid quickest then so far, 48.28. Pat Doran managed only a 52.29 in qualifying. To put that lap time into perspective, that would have put him fourth quickest, Anthony Reid, in qualifying.
Yeah, I was just going to say, yeah, only 3 people have gone quicker than that.
So fourth quickest.
And he was actually he was 10th, wasn't he?
Yeah. Oh, and look at this, Pat Doran's on it. 0.7 of a second up after the first sector. That's very quick for the man who only managed a 52 in the qualifying run. Swinging it up through the wall, tails stepping out a little bit through the next split. He's lost a second. And now driving towards the line. Anthony Reid is the time to beat, 48.28. Pat Doran did a 52 in qualifying. He's going to better that time with a 50.98.